Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Raj. Today I'm going to show you a cool way to take a selfie. Doesn't have to be selfie, maybe a picture that you wanted to take it, but there's nobody around to help you. So if you try to take the selfie in the normal way that you would do, some people are good at taking selfie, but not everybody. When you go to press the button, the phone might shake and you'll get blurred, or you wouldn't get the best position that you want. In this method, you don't worry about pressing the button. So you hold the phone in a comfortable position, or you put it in the front and you come and sit down, and when you are ready to take a picture, you just show your palm to the phone, because this phone actually I'm using Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, but if you have S or the latest model, all would work the same. So this phone has a sensor that will read the palm and get the signal, and that will take the picture for you. So once you're ready, just show the palm, and within few seconds that's going to take the picture. It's really nice because you don't need to worry about pressing the buttons or anything. You can put it in the front, or you hold it far away and show your palm when it's ready, and it's going to take the picture. And when you buy the phone, the default setting, it's turned off, so it wouldn't work if you try to do. So I'll show you how to go into the setting and set it up. Then you can use this function, and once you start using it, you will really like it. And every time when you want to do selfie, this is the method that you would use, and you will never ever would wanted to touch the button again. Now I'm going to demonstrate how it's going to work. So I have placed my phone on my notation stand, so I'm far away from the phone and I'm not touching the phone. So when I'm ready, I'm just going to show my palm and get back to the position, and that's going to take the picture. One more quick tip, there's another way also to take the picture without somebody's help. You'll be really amazed how this phone works. Let's say you back to the position you want to take the picture. Say smile. See, when I say smile, it's already took the picture. Or you can say take picture, and that took the picture. Or you want to record, go to the record video. Okay, now it's recording the video. While you're seeing right there, it's recording what I'm talking right here. So I'm gonna stop it. To set it up, you go to your camera, and then the setting at the corner. And before you go into the setting, very important thing, make sure your phone is at the photo. If it's at the video, and if you go to the setting, and you have to go to shooting method and turn the show palm, but it wouldn't work. If you are at the video, it wouldn't work. So very important thing, you are at the photo, then go to the setting, go down to shooting method. Now you can turn show palm to on. Also the voice control, if you turn the voice control on, to take a picture you can simply say smile, cheese, capture, or shoot. Or to record, you say record video, and that's going to do it for you. It's really cool. There's also one here, tap heart rate sensor, but I never tried it. You can try it and see how it works. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to click the like button and consider subscribe to my channel for more useful videos like this. Thank you.